Welcome to the Red Bull KTM Factory Bike Presentation 2017. Please welcome from Moto3, Nicola Antonelli and Bo Snyder. From Moto2, Brad Binder and Miguel Oliveira. And riding those factory bikes, Red Bull KTM, Bradley Smith and Pol Espargaro. Let's unveil the big secrets, gentlemen. Please show us the Red Bull KTM Factory Bikes 2017 ready to race. Looks pretty good. Really, everybody got the right number, Paul. Starting with you, also the first time you see this bull. How'd you like it?
Oh, impossible that you don't like it. It's beautiful. Yeah, so beautiful, yeah.
I mean, we can all see that, but we all don't know is what is it like to ride this bull?
Well, right now it's a little bit wild, a little bit too wild. But actually it feels really good because, you know, KTM in MotoGP is really, really new in compared to the other brands. And you know, we are making steps, huge steps in front, and we are improving. You know, every time we jump on a bike, we are closer than them, and this is really beautiful to see the evolution and the progression of this bike. And I just thanks to KTM to trust in me and in this project.
Okay, thank you. Coming to Bradley Smith. Bradley, also for you, first time in a factory team. How does that feel?
Yeah, certainly there's a lot of pressure. You know, it's something that you've always wished for and, you know, you've worked for throughout your career, but finally when you get that opportunity, there's the pressure that comes with it. But I certainly embrace the opportunity that I have. And, you know, both me and Pol and all of the KTM team will be working, you know, extremely hard. And yeah, we've been busy already so far in these winter tests, and the work won't stop, you know, just yet. It's just the beginning. So very excited to see what 2017 brings.
Also very important. You spent a lot of time in Austria with winter time, rehab. How are you doing? How's your injury doing?
Yeah, I was at the Red Bull DTC in Taugau. It was fantastic to be there 6 weeks. Was essential, you know, really for my getting ready for the new season. So now I'm back to full fitness and ready to chase my teammate around the racetrack.
Okay, thank you, Bradley. Yeah, of course, big applause. I'm sneaking here to Miguel Oliveira. who is rejoining the Orange family back to Red Bull KTM. How happy are you about that?
Yeah, I'm very happy to be a part of all the projects, and after working with KTM in 2015, for sure was a really nice feeling to come back, and thanks for them to taking me on this project, embracing a new challenge, going with the Moto2 KTM bike, and yeah, looking forward for it.
How have the first laps been on the bike?
Yeah, it's been really positive. We have been testing this month, and so far so good. So we still have a lot of things to improve, but for sure we will get there. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Miguel Oliveira. Please. I'm heading to the reigning Moto3 World Champion from Red Bull KTM Ahora. Now you stepped up to Moto2, but yeah, Brett, I guess you expected your off-season a little differently. A crash, a broken arm, operations. How are you feeling now?
Yeah, I'm feeling good. Unfortunately, the off-season wasn't what I wanted it to be. Had a lot more time chilling than I would have liked, but you know, at the end of the day, go to the doctor tomorrow, and I'm sure he'll give me the clear to start testing and carry on as normal.
Okay, what are your goals for 2017?
Well, I mean, stepping up from Moto3 into Moto2 is always going to be really, really tough. But, you know, I haven't really set myself a goal, to be honest. I just want to get on the bike and try and improve every time I get on it. And yeah, I mean, just going to try carry on working as hard as possible and see where we end up.
Go with the flow. The South African way, I guess. Please give an applause. And I'm heading to your former teammates, the Red Bull MotoGP Rookies Cup winner from 2015. Last year, you've been a teammate here with Brad, and also you already managed some podiums. What are the goals for this year?
Yeah, I want to be consistently in the top 10 and hopefully fighting for many podiums. But yeah, I hope to be consistent in the top 10, and then we will see what happened this year.
And also, how do you like the new bike? How are you feeling on it?
Yeah, what Paul say is difficult to don't like this bike because it's so beautiful. So really happy to ride this bike.
Okay, thank you, Bo Ben Snyder. And Nicolo, I'm joining here. A new team, a new bike. How are you feeling in this family?
Yeah, it's fantastic to be here, and it's my first year with this team, and I'm really proud to be here. And the bike is fantastic, and I only need to work to myself for try to do a good result.
We already had the world champion in this team, so might that be a goal?
Yeah, he did a fantastic year, and I want to try to do it.
Okay, thank you. So, coming straight from Australia, first of all, of course, how happy are you? How satisfied are you with the last tests?
Yeah, first of all, I want to say to see that I'm super happy. I mean, we worked very hard. All the company was working like crazy in the last year to have a moment like this now, to start a project. And yeah, to be fair, the progress is very nice, what we see since Sepang. After Valencia race, we had some issues. We tried to fix them. The designers, all workers, worked very hard, so we went in the correct direction, and I think the riders feel the same. I hope so. This is the most important.
Nodding, always important when the boss is talking.
And yeah, super happy.
What is the biggest challenge in guiding a brand new team in MotoGP?
There are many challenges. I mean, the most important thing is that we keep motivated these two boys, and that we can deliver things what they feel in lap time and good feeling on the track. And that is, I think, the main goal what everybody here in this house is working for.
Thank you, Mike Leitner. Big applause. And Aki, what can we say? Your teams last year have been the dominating force in Moto3 and Moto2. What do you expect this season, 2017? I mean, what can top that?
Of course, first of all, we are all so proud to be part of this project. This is something incredible, and we are so thankful to be here. But yes, it's difficult after good season always. Of course, expectation is really high when the results were really good last year, but we need to keep always feet on the ground.
Ja, das ist glaube ich grundsätzlich Kurse da für die Sportmannschaft.
Tu opinión nos interesa. Si tienes algo que decirnos, envíanos un mail. Esperamos tus sugerencias.